Hola, 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 mis amores! Today, this is the makeup look that I'm going to be recreating. If you could see, everything, all the emphasis is on the... And yes, I know it's a little bit different. It's a little bit like, whoa, blue. But I love how blue looks. Look, because I'm wearing blue today. Today, I feel like in a bluey color. So I decided to go with this look. Very like sleek, lean back, blue, and something that will go with my glasses, because you know that I wear glasses, and something that will go with this and it will look nice. So this is the look I recreated, guys. Hope you guys like. So stay tuned and follow and watch this video to see how I created this look. Look. Ooh. So today I'm going to be focusing on my eyes. It's going to be my everyday easy to do makeup look. If you can see, I already did my face. I already applied my foundation. I contour, my primer, my foundation, my contour, my cheeks, my blush, my highlighter. I already applied everything. So today I'm just going to be focusing on my eye. It's an everyday look that I do every day when I am in a hurry. But it's going to be with blue mascara. So hope you guys enjoy this look. What I'm going to do is I am going to go in with a very nude look today. I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. Sorry, guys, it's so dirty. I should actually clean this. I'm going to go and I'm going to set my eyes with this color right here. So I'm just going to go and apply it on my eyes, all over my eyelid. Like that. Again, in with the color right there. Apply it on my eyelid. And the reason I apply this is because I'm not using a base. I'm not using a primer on my eyes. So I just want like something to set where I put the foundation and a primer for my face. After that, I am going to go in with this color right here. If you can see, it's a very nude, it's a very natural shade. I'm going to go in with this color, dust it a little. And I'm going to add it on. And everything is with the same brush onto my crease. Right there. Onto the crease. Go in with that color again. Dust it a little. Onto the crease. Right there. So if you could tell, it looks very natural. Just go in a little bit more. I'm going to blow this time onto the crease. Just go in with this one. Blow a little onto the crease. And the reason I'm doing this is very natural is because I'm wearing blue mascara. And with blue mascara, I just wanted to pop. That will be like my pop-up color. After that, I'm going to go in this color right here. This color. I'm going to go into my crease again. Onto the crease. Onto the crease. After that, if you see, it looks like this. Very natural. I am going to go with this color right here. All the browns. With the same brush. I'm just going to be using one brush today on my eyes. I'm going to go with that little brown color. I just want to grab and apply it on my lid. And then dust it up. Then I go in dark color again. Apply it on my lid. And then dust it up. Voila. I will go in with this brush. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's like a chocolatey color. Brush it. And I'm going to look down and I'm going to do the bottom of my lashes. Something like that. The bottom of my lashes. You see there? And then with that same color, I'm just gonna go into my crease right there, like that. And it looks strong because I haven't blended. Into my crease right there, and like a V shape. A V shape. And then you start blending. You start blending the V shape. And you start blending. And blending. It's all about blend. This look is all about blending your colors and like that. And then you go to the other side and you blend. And then after I'm done there, I'm gonna prime no, I am not gonna prime first. I am going to add my highlighter on the lid of my eyes, on the water lines on my eyes, waterline, water, teardrop, on the other teardrop of my eye, teardrop, right there, under my brow bone, under my brow bone, and I just blend it out. And I just blend it out. A little bit more here. And I just blend it out. Now I'm gonna go apply the primer. After that, like, it's so beautiful. It's so blue. It's so like, wow. Then I go on my, I start from the bottom. I start from the bottom and I start rubbing up. And I do the same thing on the other side. Sorry. Then I have to do at the bottom. Then I let it dry out a little. And I'm going with the second coat. But look how beautiful my eyes look. Like, I wanted today the drama to be on the mascara. So that's why I went with the very natural look and very like poised look. And because I wanted all the drama to be on the mascara. So I do it one more time. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. And then this is how it looks. And look how beautiful that looks. Then I'm gonna let it dry a little. And I'm just gonna go in and fix all the blue that was in it. And the color I'm going in, it's with the color that I did my eyelids. And this is the looks, my lovelies. It's very nice. It's very classic. It's very elegant. It's very simple to do. Sorry, I love mascara. It's very classy. It's a very nice look. It's a very... And then I just go in with the lipstick, a nude lipstick. This is my fad lipstick. It's from Makeup Forever. Cute packaging. And this is the look. Hope you guys like. Please subscribe, like, comment, and click the bell button to get my future videos. Bye, mis amores.